Are you having that same problem? If it's not humming, this is not the video for you. Contact a professional. But if you do have the humming sound, turn your garbage disposal off. You are at the right place. Turn it off, make sure there's nothing running. Take a stick. You want a stick that's at least 12 inches or longer. Reason why you don't want your hand near the blade. We just want to protect our hands, so we don't want anything that is short. You want a longer stick. Don't go out and buy it. Hopefully you can find something in your house that you can use. Maybe it's a broomstick, a mop stick. You just have a stick laying around. Just make sure you get a stick that will fit in the sink. All right, now that you got your stick, what you want to do is place it in the sink hole, and you want to feel around until you get to a blade. You want to just move it around all the way down till you hit the bottom, and then feel for a blade. Next, we're going to push it clockwise. We're gonna push it around maybe about 4 or 5 times. What we want to do is make sure that we clear the path so that the blade can move. All right, now that you have done that, you want to turn on the sink. You want the water to flow in, and what you're going to do is turn on your garbage disposal, and it should run. You should hear the blades going, and that is it. You have solved your issue. Can you imagine having to call someone, spend $100 to $200 just to do exactly what you just did?